I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm doing a pantry organisation. If you watched my previous video, I did this DIY barn door on my pantry door. And as much as it looked pretty from the outside, there was something to be said about what's going on the inside. So today is the day that I will tackle this. Now, I always get questions, Chelle, where do you store all your decor? And guess what, guys? A lot of the time it ends up in the pantry. And I'm actually ashamed to show you the condition of this pantry because every time I open the door, I just closed the door and just shook my head. Where do we start? The best place to start of all is to start with a fresh, clean slate. And that's exactly what I did. I pulled everything out of here. Now this is where your girl Chelle was going, oh my goodness, what have I done? This is a huge, huge job, and I do recommend, if your pantry looks like mine at the moment, take a full day to do this, guys, because it really did take me that long. Giving the pantry a really good clean down off camera, it was now time to get organised. Now I had these collapsible storage cubes, guys, that I picked up from Kmart. The neutral ones are from Kmart, but the beautiful leopard print ones are from the Reject Shop. I also got some of those labels as well from the Reject Shop. Basically wanted to shop my own home, guys, so I just went round and found every possible container that I owned. I added things inside and then I added the labels at the front. Container you pretty much see here, guys, is from Kmart. I've also had a canister collection that I got from the Reject Shop a few years ago. Everything was completely inexpensive. These smaller ones are from Kmart. They're in their craft section. I always knew I'd do a DIY on them, but I knew that they would come in handy one day, and these were perfect for anything, including my spices.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me.
I then started to organise my beautiful leopard print storage cubes, and I started by making one dedicated in coffee, and I placed them all inside.
Here's your time to shine. I'll show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
leopard print design was so dark, I couldn't put a label on the actual boxes, so I chose to put the label on the shelf itself.
Baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your
Now on the neutrals boxes, I was able to put a label at the front.
The way my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
I then picked out my favourite kitchen decor and I started to style the pantry shelves.
With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that.
And guys, here is my pantry makeover. I'm so happy with how it
Show
came.
me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Now guys, one of my favourite things in this pantry makeover is those labels. Just $4, guys. I paid $4 for a packet of labels from the reject shop. And I already had all these containers, but I just wasn't using them, guys. I wasn't putting them to use. And I just love how something as simple as a label can create so much organisation.
Something out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
I'm so happy, guys, that I'm actually using my Lazy Susan now. Would you believe I have 3 of these things, but I've never actually used them in the pantry. I've always used them for decor, so I'm so happy that I finally used them for what they're made for.
We are right underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't wait.
Now, I did strike a few little issues, guys, doing this pantry makeover. I had huge intentions of getting those, you know, those organisers where you put all your cans in an organisation piece, and then you have like a 3-tiered tray for your spices. Now, I searched my entire shopping centre trying to find those sorts of things where I normally would find them all the time, but unfortunately with the virus and the way things are, our shelves are very empty at the moment. So my intention is to do that. I am going to take away some of this decor and add that as well. So I, at the moment, just have my cans in one of the storage cubes, but until I get those pieces, that's when I will add that. I've also ordered a pantry sign, guys, so I'm waiting for that to come in the mail, and where I'm pointing there, I want to add that at the top.
I promise that I will stand by you.
So here I'm just showing you my vision about those cans. I want to take away this decor and get that shelving unit where I can just turn left when I walk in my pantry and just pick out any can. So I'm definitely feeling so much better now that I opened my beautiful pantry barn door. Now guys, if you haven't seen that video as well, I'll leave that linked for you down below. I show you how I take my existing pantry door and create a DIY barn door. So if that interests you, I'll leave that linked down below.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to making over your pantry.
Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel. I'd love for you to share the video as many times as you can. And hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
When we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
That could come